This is Tata Nexon XM 1.2 liter turbocharged Revertron petrol engine. Its cubic capacity is 1198 cc 3-cylinder engine. Maximum power is 110 PS at the rate 5000 RPM, and maximum torque is 170 Newton meter. Now let's see its interior and exterior, how it looks like and its features. Let's see its cockpit, dashboard and its features. It has got a very beautiful interior. And as far as I know, no any vehicle at this price range has got such a beautiful interior. Tata has done a lot to give such a good look to this interior. Only driver door can be locked or unlocked from outside using the key blade. Other doors is not having this option. Right turn, open the door, and left turn, close the door. Now let's see the boot space. Here is the button to open the dicky. We can open the tailgate using a remote also. So here this is the reach light button. If we press and hold it for 2 seconds, it will open the tailgate. Let's see. Yeah, now its tailgate is opened. Let me open the tailgate and let's see the boot space. See its boot space. We can fold the back seat also. Let's have a look at the interior part. It has got 2 airbags. One is you can see here on the steering wheel, and another for the front passenger, that is here. And it has got a very powerful AC system. You can see AC vent there, here also, and then here also. Only top variant has got back rear AC vent. Here is the AC control buttons. Now let's see the steering wheel adjustment. For that we have to pull the release lever that is located here below the steering. You can see here. Yeah, this is the lever. After that we can move the steerings like that. We can push it down, we can push it up. After that push this lever back. And here let's see the seat adjustment lever. In top variant we can adjust the height also, but in this XM model we don't have the option to make the height adjustment. This lever that to push back the backrest, we can push it back and we can sleep very easily. And so yeah, here is the fuel flap. Yeah, this is the fuel flap. Now let's have a look at the gear system and drive mode selector. It has got 6+ one gear system, 6 forward gear plus 1 reverse, and another feature, it comes with all the Nexon models from base model to top model. We can see here City, Eco and Sports. So in Eco mode, that is the most economic mode. So by selecting the different modes, we can adjust the engine characteristics and vehicle performance. And yeah, this is the handbrake, parking brake lever, that is also positioned nearer to the gear lever and drive mode selector. Yeah, now let's see the reverse gear lift and shift mechanism. It's a little different. To put the reverse gear, lift the latch. It is here. This is the one. Lift the latch, and keeping the latch lifted, shift to reverse position. Yeah. Now my parking sensor is giving alarm. Yeah, that is the procedure. Here is the tachometer and DIS, driver information display, and speedometer. Speedometer indicates the vehicle speed in km per hour. Tachometer indicates engine speed in revolutions per minute, RPM. And in DIS, driver information display, you can see here it is written 130. That is a distance to empty. Indicates approximate distance that vehicle can travel with available fuel in tank under current average fuel consumption, and it indicates the fuel level also. And on the top you can see 708. That's the total kilometer completed till now. Above the odometer, it will show some other indications. For example, now I am just going to open my door. Yeah, now you can see on indicator, it's image of a car with the doors are opened. Now I will close the door. Yeah, then it will go automatically. And above in green color, you can see it's written Eco. So I have selected the drive Eco mode. Then if I am changing that to Sport, then it will show the Sport. Then City, it will showing City. I am putting back that to the Eco mode, and it will give indication about the gears also. So now I am going to put the vehicle in reverse gear. Yeah, it is showing R. It will show indication about other gears also, like first gear, second gear, third gear, and it has got gear recommendation feature also. The display will be like up or down arrow. This arrow will be displayed on DIS whenever gear should be put up or down. So if suppose if the vehicle is running at third gear at a very low speed, then this down arrow will be displayed, recommending for shifting the gear down. That I will show whenever I drive this vehicle.